we're going to start off this look using our Get Cheeky with the angled blush brush. My method when I apply my blush is I like to work in quick circular motions just to evenly distribute the product. And I like to also work from the temples down to the apples of my face. This also ensures that you get a beautiful natural glow and not too much pigment is building up on the apples of your cheek where you're looking like you're wearing too much makeup. After that, I just go back into my blush palette and just lightly dab on more product to my liking on the apples of my cheek just to give that pop of color. Next up, we're working with our contour brush, Supermodel Sculpt, and I like to work about 3 inches down to my face, kind of following my natural cheekbone. All faces are different, but this technique will work for everyone. When you're applying your contour, you want to make sure that you're working in quick circular motions or back and forth motions just to evenly distribute the product so you're not getting harsh lines. After I'm contouring the hollows of my cheek, I like to move forward onto my forehead area. And I just kind of lightly dust the forehead area with my contour product just to make sure that I'm getting that sun-kissed glow look. My method when I like to apply my contour is I kind of do the letter E, working from your jawline up to the hollows of your cheek, and then moving forward with your contour on your forehead, you're kind of making that letter E shape. And that technique actually works for all face shapes. Once you're onto the jawline, just make sure that you're kind of just working with your natural jawline in circular motions, back and forth, quick, just to again evenly distribute that contour product. You want to make sure that you're blending down your neck just to make sure that contour product is not visible and everything is well blended. I lightly dust down the bridge of my nose and my chin just to make sure that I'm getting everything and everything's looking even. After you've applied your contour product, if you want to go back in and use that Get Cheeky with the blush brush, go right ahead. I like to use this just to make sure that there's no harsh lines on my face or you can't see where my contour starts and begins. And this also diffuses the product, giving it more of a natural finish rather than those harsh lines. Next up, we're going to go ahead and work on our highlight with our Mr. Handyman brush. So when you're applying your highlight, you want to make sure that you're applying your highlight in all areas where the natural light hits. So in this case, with my face, I kind of make the letter C from the cheekbone area, working the way up to my temples on my face. The reason why I love Mr. Handyman is it really packs on that pigment and a girl loves her glow. I've been rocking this look for God knows how long, and I love me my highlight. After you're done applying your highlight, you want to make sure that you're grabbing that Get Cheeky with the blush brush just to evenly distribute the product where that glow looks natural. After my cheekbones and my temples, I move forward onto the natural brow bone just to give that a pop. And also a quick tip, if you guys want that kissable pout, you could go ahead and apply highlight right at the Cupid's bow. After you're done applying your highlight with Mr. Handyman, use your fingertips just to blend the product out. Now, since I have normal to dry skin, I actually apply my highlight on my forehead just to give it an extra glow. Again, I told you, I love me my highlight. The more highlight, the better. And I'm using the Get Cheeky with the blush brush just to make sure that I'm not packing too much product onto my forehead where then it looks like you're extremely oily. So this technique actually gives a more of a natural finish, which that's what we want to accomplish. After you're done with your blush, your contour, and your highlight, go ahead and fix and even out the areas as needed. And you're done, ladies. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial.